Hey guys, today in this video, I will show you how to create a demo for an internship application form by using Quiz and Survey Master, which is the best WordPress plugin. So let's get started. To create our internship application form, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress websites and to test your ideas and tools for free. Here you can build a quick disposable WordPress website in no time. I have already installed the QSM plugin on my website. If you would like to know how to get started with QSM, click on the suggestion card and you can find a complete tutorial to get started with the QSM. Let's start by creating an application form. Hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes/Surveys. Once you click on Create Quiz/Survey, the first thing we see is to select the theme for the quiz. QSM has 4 stunning themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and click Next. Now, on the quiz settings, we get the option of the initial setup of our form. Settings such as a name for the form, selecting what kind of form we are using, a time limit you can set, and also if you want only logged-in users to be able to fill the form. Now comes the add-on section. We get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Right now, we are going to skip this part, and let's click on Create Quiz. So the Questions tab is where we can create our questions for the internship form. Let's start with the first one. After entering the question, on the right-hand side, you can choose the type of question and answer from the drop-down menu. For now, let's go with the short answer type. Let's mark the question as required, so these questions can't be skipped. Then click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Let's create our second question by clicking on Create a New Question at the bottom of the Questions tab. This question has the user to enter a small introduction about themselves. The question type will be paragraph. The third question will ask what type of internship the user is looking for. It will be multiple choice so that our visitors could select the proper option. Let's add a few choices for the user. The last question will ask the user when they would like to join us. The date type will be applied to this question where the user can enter the date. Now that all the questions are saved, let's set up a contact field to collect the email address of the applicants. Click on Add New Field. The field type will be email and labeled as email address. Let's select the Used For section and select email. Now let's mark this field as required so that we could avoid blank entries without any contact details. Let's click on the Save Contact field. Now, since our question for the form is set and the contact field is configured to collect the email addresses, let's preview our application form by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you can see, we have created the internship application form successfully. That's all for this tutorial. Until next time, stay safe and good luck on your internship application forms.